shop owner has bought in the Santa or in any Raitu Bazaar.
एक ही जगह पे मिलके those type of plastics are known as thermosetting plastics. Comparison, there are 3 types:
up, down, right, left.
I am not inferior to anyone.
We are Tswreis. We are top on the Everest. Congratulations.
I want to be a leader.
Hi Tswreis, good afternoon to everyone. This is B.Harika of the second MPC, Dharmaram, Nizamabad district. Okay friends, I'd like to ask some questions. Okay, what is the equation of a straight line? Yes, I think all of you know that. Yes, what is the equation of a straight line? Yes. Yes. It is in a general form of straight line, general equation of a straight line. So, what is the equation for circle friends? Is x square plus y square is equals to r square. It is a general form of a circle, yes? Yes. Okay friends, shall I ask one question? How many variables are present in these equations? Yes, 2 variables are there. What are they? X and y. X and y variables are there. Okay, if we take one example, x minus y is equals to 0. For this, we have to take some values for x and t. Here we take x is equals to t, y equals to t. If we assume it is an equation 1 and equation 2, if we subtract 2 from 1, we get that x minus y is equals to, here t minus t is equals to 0. So, here these equations can satisfy the above equation, yes or no? Yes. Okay. So, here x in terms of t and y in terms of t, these type of equations are called parametric equations. Okay friends. Now, it is an equation of a straight, this is an equation of a straight line, yes, x minus y is equals to 0 is an equation of a straight line. Okay, what locus of this equation is as a straight line. Okay friends, now we are going to learn about the topic parametric equation and locus. Okay friends, parametric equations and locus. First, what is mean by parametric equations? A single equation in terms of only x and y. So, to deal with some of these problems, we introduce parametric equations. Instead of defining y in terms of x, y equals to f of x, or x in terms of y, x equals to f of y, we define both x and y in terms of a third variable is called a parameter. Okay friends, what is the parametric equation means? The representation of an equation in only a single form. Here we taking x is equals to t and y. In a single variable we are showing both the equations. It is known as a parametric equations. Okay, what is locus? Locus. A locus in the plane. A locus in the plane is a set of all points. A locus in the plane is a set of all points in the plane satisfy some given condition or property. Okay friends, a locus in the plane, a locus in the plane is a set of all points in the plane satisfy some given condition or property is called a locus. Locus means nothing but a path, a path. Here if we take any one, if we say take equal points, equal length of point, we get circle, the locus of a circle. So, like we have the locus. Okay friends, now I think you all know that a slope point form we already learned in earlier intermediate first year we learned straight line chapter. Yes, yes friends. Okay, if we take point slope form, okay friends. Here a point P equals to x, y. Here the point P equals to P of x, y are the coordinates. Okay, here a straight line passing through the point. It is a point slope form friends. Yes, yes, is a point slope form. Yes, what is the formula for point slope form friends? Yes, absolutely correct, that y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Are you clear friends? What is the formula of a point slope form? Yes, y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. It is a point slope form. Okay, here it is making an angle. Here the straight line passing through a point making an angle theta. Theta. Okay, in theta form what we take for m value? What we take friends? Yes, here we taking m is equals to tan theta. For slope form we take m is equals to tan theta. Isn't it? Yes, is it? We take m is equals to tan theta friends. Yes. So, we are substituting here tan theta. Y minus y1 is equals to, here instead of m we are substituting tan theta. Okay friends, tan theta x minus x1. Okay, according to our basic trigonometric formulas fundamentals, what is the in term of tan theta, what we have to write? Yes, in tan theta we have to write sin theta by cos theta. Yes friends, in tan theta we have to write sin theta by cos theta. Okay friends, instead of tan theta we have to write sin theta by cos theta. So, we are putting here sin theta by cos theta. Okay friends, sin theta by cos theta. Here x minus x1. Here we take in it, instead of tan theta we take in sin theta by cos theta. Therefore, if we take sin theta is in RHS term, okay, here it is an LHS, it is in RHS term. Yes, yes, we have to take sin theta onto left side, it becomes division because it is under multiplication at RHS side. So, it becomes division when it comes onto left side. Therefore, y minus y1 is equals to sin theta is equals to here x minus x1 by cos theta. Are you following my words friends? Yes, y minus y1 by sin theta is equals to x minus x1 by cos theta. If we assume that both the equations are is equals to r, okay, we assume the equations are is equals to r, then if we take x minus x1 by cos theta is equals to r, similarly we have to take y minus y1 is equals to, by cos theta is equals to r. We are taking this. Okay friends, we assume that x minus x1 by cos theta is equals to r and y minus y theta by cos theta is equals to r. Sorry, sin theta. Okay, if we are assume that is equals to r, yes. Okay, here x minus x1 by cos theta is equals to r, y minus y1 by sin theta is equals to r we are taken. Okay, we need the equation x. Okay friends, x is equals to, here we have to take cos theta on that side. If we take minus x1 to RHS, what's that? Here minus will be become plus sign. Therefore, x1 plus r cos theta. Okay friends, x1 plus r cos theta. Then here y is equals to y1 plus r sin theta. Are you understand friends? Yes, x is equals to x1 plus r cos theta, y is equals to y1 plus r sin theta. Okay, these are the parametric equations of a straight line. Okay friends, these are the parametric equations of a straight line. Okay, we are going to take some examples. For we are taking two parametric equations. If we take x is equals to t, then y is equals to 2t. If we take this, yes friends, yes. If we do, it is an equation 1, it is an equation 2. If we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, what we get friends? Yes, here x minus y is equals to t minus 2t. So, instead of what we have to write here y by 2 is equals to t. So, frequently we get, instead of that we have to write here x minus y by 2 is equals to 0. It is in a which form still, which form Tswreis? Yes, this is in a linear form. Linear forms are nothing but a straight line equations. It is an equation of straight lines. Okay friends, yes, it is an equation of a straight line. Okay friends, now we are going to know another geometrical figure, that circle. Okay, okay friends, we are taking another example for circle. Okay friends, okay, what is the circle? Yes, the circle with a fixed point equidistant from the center, we are joining the points with an equidistance from the center, it is a circle. Okay friends, we are taking some parametric equations. Yes friends, here we are taking parametric equations. Here we get from point slope form that x is equals to x1 plus r cos theta, y equals to y1 plus r sin theta. To find the relation between x and y, we should eliminate the parameter from the two equations, then we get a point slope from earlier. Next, the third variable, here the third variable which is usually denoted by t, but does not have to be of course. Here the third variable we are using as a parameter. Each value of t defines a point that we can plot the collection of points that we get by letting t be all the possible values in the graph of the parametric equations, and is called a parametric curve friends. Yes, okay. Next we are taking a parametric equations, that the Cartesian equations of a circle of radius r, center at the origin is, here we get the value x square plus y square is equals to r square. We can put, here we are taking two parametric equations, x is equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta. If we do the problem, we get, here we are doing squaring on both sides, then we get squaring on both sides and adding on both sides, we get x square plus y square is equals to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Are you understand friends? Yes, here x square plus y square, here on RHS terms r square is common on both sides. Yes or no? Yes, r square is common on both sides. So, we are taking r square here common of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay friends, according to our fundamental trigonometric fundamentals, we know the formula of cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. Yes or no friends? Yes, we know that the formula of cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. Then we get x square plus y square is equals to r square. Okay friends? Okay. So, this satisfies original equation. Here the angle theta is the parameter and measures the angle between the positive x axis and radial to the circle. Here we taken the diagram of a circle with a point. Here point with parametric equations p equals to r cos theta, r sin theta. These we taken as a circle with a parametric equation. Here we are proving that x square plus y square is equals to r square, a standard form of a circle. Cos theta is equals to here x by r, sin theta is equals to y by r. Then we get sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So, by substituting that, we get the value x square plus y square is equals to r square. It is a standard form of a circle. This equation of a circle x square plus y square is equals to r square. Are you following friends? Yes. Here what is the center for these? Here x square, y square is equals to r square. It is the standard form of a circle. What is the center for these? Here center is 0, 0. Okay friends? Okay. And the radius is, what is the radius? Radius is r. Okay? R. Here we are showing our radius symbol with r. Here the radius also r. Okay friends? Okay. Next, we are going to know about another formula that here we are getting a first standard form that x square plus y square is equals to r square. If we take another that, here we are taking another parametric equations, x is equals to h plus r cos theta. Okay friends, h plus r cos theta, y is equals to k plus r sin theta. Okay friends, here we are taking another parametric equation. Here y is equals to k plus r sin theta. We taken both the equations x and y friends. Okay, if we take h onto LHS, what will be happen? X minus h is equals to r cos theta. Isn't it? Yes. Is it clear friends? Yes. Y minus k is equals to r sin theta. R sin theta friends. Okay. If we do squaring on both sides for both the equations, we get x minus h whole square is equals to what? R square cos square theta. Similarly, y minus k whole square is equals to r square sin square theta friends. Yes, here we are getting the values x minus h whole square is equals to r square cos square theta. Similarly, y minus k whole square is equals to r square sin square theta. Okay friends, now we are going to add both the equations. Okay, adding 1 and 2 equations. Here we get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Okay friends, y minus k whole square is equals to, we are taking r square common for what? Yes, yes, said that you are correct. Here r square is common in both the terms. So, in RHS r square is in both the terms. So, we are taking r square as common. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta. Is it friends? Yes. Therefore, x minus h whole square is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. It is also a standard form of a circle. Yes friend, it is also a standard form of a circle with center h comma k. Here the center h comma k. Are you understand friends? Here the center is h comma k and the radius is r. Okay friends? Okay. Now we are going to take a parametric equations to prove that. Okay friends, we are taking some parametric equations to prove that. Okay friend, here we taken the values that x is equals to 3 plus 5 cos theta. We are taken a parametric equations, x is equals to 3 plus 5 cos theta, y is equals to minus 2 plus 5 sin theta. Yes, yes. Here we taking plus 3 into LHS side, it will become minus 3. X minus 3 is equals to 5 cos theta. Then y, similarly y, here it's an RHS side, it is in minus. When it comes to left, it become, the sign will change. Here y plus 2 is equals to 5 sin theta. Okay. We are squaring on both sides both the equations. We are squaring on both sides both the equations. X minus 3 whole square is equals to 25 cos square theta. We are assuming that it is an equation 1 and y plus 2 whole square is equals to 25 sin square theta as equation 2. Okay, by adding 1, we are done that squaring on both sides. Yes, okay. Now we are adding both the equations 1 and 2. We get here, by adding that, we are adding LHS on LHS side, RHS terms on RHS side. Then x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equals to, here we are taking 25 as common. Yes, because it is in both the terms. So, 25 cos square theta plus sin square theta. Yes, you are saying that perfect. I think that you are saying that Okay, here cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to compulsory 1. So, here 25 into 1 means 1. The square root of 25 is 5 square. So, we write here as a 5 square. Therefore, x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equals to 5 square. It represents a circle. Yes friends, yes, it represents a circle here with the center. We are comparing to these equation to the standard form, here x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Then we get the center 3 comma minus 2 and the radius r equals to 5. Okay friends, are you clear about this? Okay. Now we take another example. Okay. Okay. Here we take another example. X is equals to minus 3 plus 11 cos theta, y equals to minus 4 plus 11 sin theta. We taken these parametric equations. Okay. Same as well as we take onto LHS, that x plus 3 is equals to 11 cos theta, y plus 4 is equals to 11 sin theta. Okay friends, squaring on both sides, then x plus 3 whole square is equals to 121 cos square theta as an equation 1 and y plus 4 whole square is equals to 121 sin square theta as an equation 2. By adding 1 and 2 we get that x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equals to 121 cos square theta plus sin square theta. Then x plus 3 whole square y plus y plus 4 whole square is equals to here 1. So, 121. Instead of 121, the square root of 121 is 11 square. So, x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equals to 11 square. So, it represents a circle form. It is a representation of a circle form with a radius minus 3 comma minus 4 and with a center minus 3 comma minus 4 and a radius 11. Are you got an idea friends? Yes. Okay friends. Now, we are going to prove by graphical manner. Okay friends, we are taking values. Here we taken a parametric equations. Are you listening my words friends? Yes. Here we taken equations that x is equals to 3 cos theta, y equals to 3 sin theta. Okay friends? Okay. We taken here theta value, x and y coordinates. Okay. If we substitute 0 degree. If we substitute 0 here, what is the value of cos 0 friends? Yes, cos 0 value is 1. So, 3 into 1, 1. What is the value of sin 0? It be 0. So, 3 into 0, 0. What is the value of cos 90? Yes, cos 90 is 0. So, 3 into 0, 0. Sin 90 is 1. So, 3 into 1, 3. If we take 180, what is the value of cos 180 friends? Yes, you are absolutely correct. That is minus 1. So, 3 into minus 1 is equals to minus 3. So, here what is the value of sin 180? 0. So, we are taking 0, 3 into 0, 0. If we take 270, what is the value of cos 270? Is 0. So, we have here x variable as 0. What is an equation of sin? What is the value of sin 270 friends? Is minus 1. So, we get minus 3 here. When we substitute 360, cos 360 is the value as 1. So, 3 into 1, 3. Next, sin 360 is 0. So, we are taking 0. So, by substituting these degrees, we get the values xy coordinates 3 comma 0, 0 comma 3, minus 3 comma 0, 0 comma minus 3, 3 comma 0. We get these values. Okay, friend? We get these values. Okay. Now, we are going to plot a points on xy coordinates, the graph. Okay, we plot here 3 comma 0, 0 comma 3, here minus 3 comma 0, here 0 comma minus 3. We plot a points. After plotting the points, we join the points. Are you observing friends? Yes, we are join these points. By joining the points, what we are observing here friends? Yes, here we are observing a shape, that is a circle shape. Here it forms a shape, that is a circle. Are you observing here friends? It is a circle. So, by this what we get? By using these parametric equations, we can prove that the locus of these equations as a circle. Are you get my points friends? Yes. By using these parametric equations, we get the locus as circle. Okay friends? Okay. Next, we are going to know about parabola. Okay friends, parabola is used in many ways. Yes, we are using parabola. What is mean by parabola? Okay, a conic section with eccentricity is equals to 1. A conic section with eccentricity is equals to 1. It is a parabola. What is mean by eccentricity? Means the ratio between a fixed point and a fixed line is a parabola. Okay friends, we take one example. Okay, if we take one example, x is equals to 80 square. Okay friends, we are taking the parametric equations. X is equals to 80 square. Next, y is equals to 280. We are taken these equation friends. Okay, we are taken these parametric equations. X is equals to 80 square, then y is equals to 280. Okay friends, if we do squaring on both sides for y equation, what we get is y square is equals to 280 whole square means 4a square t square is 4a square t square friends. Okay, by this if we write 80 square here we write 4 into, instead of a here we taken 80 square as common, here we taking out of bracket here. What we get the value here, we get here instead of 80 square what we have to write x. Is it friends? Yes, we are taken 4a as outside of the bracket, inside we write 80 square, instead of 80 square we have to write x value. So, y square is equals to 4ax. Okay friends, 4ax. It is a standard form for parabola. Okay friends, it is a standard form for parabola. Okay friends, now we are going to know about parabola. Okay, we are taking some examples on a graphical manner. We have to solve that. Okay, we taken some parametric equations here. Okay friends, here we taken parametric equations. Here x is equals to t square plus t and y is equals to 2t minus 1. We taken these parametric equations. By substituting here instead of t we are substituting minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1. We are substituting all these values instead of t. Okay friends, we are substituting these values. Okay, then we get, by substituting minus 2 we get xy coordinates 2 comma minus 5. By substituting minus 1 we get 0 comma minus 3. By substituting minus 1 by 2 we get xy coordinates as minus 1 by 4 comma minus 2. By substituting 0, 0 comma minus 1. By substituting 1 in parametric equations x and y we get 2 comma 1. Okay friends, are you clear about this? By substituting these t values we get the xy coordinates here like this. Okay, now we are going to plot these points on a xy coordinates. Okay, 2 comma minus 5. We plot a point 2 comma minus 5 here, 0 comma minus 3. Next, minus 1 by 4 comma minus 2. Here minus 1 by 4 comma, here it will be half part 1 by 2. 1 by 4 means half of half. Okay, then we take here minus 1 by 4 comma minus 2. Okay, minus 1 by 4 comma minus 2. Next 0 comma minus 1. Next 2 comma 1. We take 2 comma 1. By join. Okay friends, are you clear that we plot a points according to these values? We plot a points. Now we join these points. What you are observing here? Yes, you are observing that. Yes, here it is in a form of parabola. It is opens into a right. Okay friends, we have to take that. What's this? It is a shape of parabola. Yes, it's look like a parabola. Okay. Next, now we have to see graphically here. Okay. Here we taken a example here with a t square plus t and y 2t minus 1. So, we get the values here. The graph we are seeing here that this is a graph. Yes,